Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. What if I told you that your Amazon Fire Stick has a hidden superpower you are totally missing out on? I am talking about an amazing new app that lets viewers watch brand new movies and TV shows completely free. No more regional restrictions or expensive subscriptions for global content. Today, I am giving you a quick step-by-step installation guide that takes just a few minutes. Check this out because this is a total game changer for your home theater setup. You are watching TechVibes, your go-to spot for making your tech work for you. Now, before we dive into this international movie setup, you need to make sure your streaming is completely safe. I highly recommend using NordVPN to run smoothly any apps in the device. It unblocks global content libraries and stops your internet provider from slowing down your connection. I left the official NordVPN installation link mentioned in the description and comments, so grab that exclusive deal right now. So, why do we need a specialized guide to watch international movies? Well, standard streaming apps geo block the best cinema from around the world based on your location. Amazon restricts these global applications from their official store, leaving you with very limited choices. But we are going to bypass those digital borders safely today and unlock international cinema. Step 1. Let us prep your Fire Stick so it can accept this new global application. Grab your remote and head over to the gear icon on the far right of your home screen to open your settings menu. Scroll down and click on the tile that says My Fire TV. Next, click on Developer Options. If you do not see Developer Options, click on About and press the center button on your remote 7 times until it says you are a developer. Now, look for the option that says Apps from Unknown Sources and flip that switch to On. This is a total no-brainer because it unlocks the true freedom of your hardware. Step 2. Now we need to install our Privacy Shield to bypass those annoying geo blocks. Go back to your home screen, click on the Find button, and then click Search. Type in NordVPN using the on-screen keyboard. Click on the official logo when it pops up, hit Download, and let it install. Once it is done, open the app, log in, and connect to a server in the country whose movies you want to watch. This completely masks your location instantly. Step 3. We need a trusted tool to fetch our international movie application safely. Head back to the search bar on your Fire Stick home screen and type in Downloader. Look for the orange icon, click Download, and open it up. Make sure to hit Allow when it asks for permission to access your device storage so it can save files. Step 4. Now we are going to use a special shortcut to grab a premier global movie app called Streamio. Inside the Downloader app, click on the URL search box. Type in the shortcut code 28907. Double-check that number, hit Go. The app will automatically redirect you to a safe, trusted download repository. Step 5. Once the page loads, scroll down until you see the latest version of Streamio for Android TV. Click on the download link next to it. Wait a few seconds for the file to download completely to your device. A prompt will pop up asking if you want to install the software. Click Install at the bottom right, and then click Done when it finishes. Step 6. Let us clean up your storage so your Fire Stick stays super snappy. Downloader will ask if you want to delete the installation file. Click Delete and then click Delete one more time. This frees up precious space on your device so your international videos never stutter. Now press the home button on your remote, go to your apps list, and open your brand new movie app while your VPN runs in the background. Inside the app, install the free international community add-ons to unlock thousands of global films instantly. Here's a quick bonus pro tip to keep your international streams lightning fast and buffer free. Go to your Fire Stick network settings and change your DNS server settings from automatic to manual. Enter DNS 8.8.8.8 for your primary server. This connects you straight to Google servers, which speeds up your streaming link scraping times instantly. Also, always make sure your Fire Stick is connected to a 5 GHz network rather than a 2.4 GHz network for maximum streaming bandwidth. If you face any difficulty during this setup, just drop a comment down below. I will personally reply to your comment within 1 hour to help you fix it. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and ask them to like, share, and subscribe to the channel TechVibes. You are now fully equipped to travel the world from your couch. Stream smart, stay safe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.